No open files. H4 खेला
what
गया
a
है.
smart move by Ding.
So he
He
stops
took
G5.
away all the G5 possibilities. By world champion for a reason.
For a
Oh
reason.
what? भाई बार तो ऊपर ही चला गया.
Where is this? Gukesh's opportunity.
Like
भाई.
world champion for a reason.
सागर
क्या ही timing है ये.
सागर भाई, there was a plan you mentioned, याद है? कुछ 1 घंटा पहले.
King को ऊपर लाना
Yes.
है. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, how does that? Okay, let's. The player. What's the
Yeah.
clock situation? Almost 10 minutes for both.
So King G7,
Rook D7.
Rook D7. Sahil
Yes.
bhai.
हाँ.
King G7, Rook D7. And now King H6, Rook
What?
takes A7.
Oh, E3.
E3. Now your rook cannot get active, right? Because if Rook D7, you want to mate me in one move, by the way. Then King H5, है ना?
Yup.
King भाग गया और वो E pawn
What a
becomes
line.
very dangerous.
What a line.
Completely winning.
So he has to go Rook E2 there in that same line. E3, Rook E2,
King को ले आओ.
and now King H5, Rook takes H7, King G4, और मेरा King ही अंदर घुस रहा है full. Wow! Oh my God!
So he will try to follow it up. Sagar is closing his eyes, mentally willing Gukesh
Let's go.
from Habitat. King G7.
No, all
खेल
of
लो.
us are. All of us
Yes.
are. We all want this.
95,000 people watching now.
Guys,
by the way.
King G7 होने वाला है.
This has become the most fun game of the
भेजे
championship so far.
energy भेजे.
Energy. ये वाला.
Guys, energy
भाई ये
दीजिए.
वाला बलराज भाई. If
हो
King
जाए.
G7 तो आप करोगे ये.
हाँ हाँ सबको करना है.
भाई, ये
उठाओ
थोड़ा-
उठाओ एक.
नहीं नहीं एक
एक
इनाम
काफी
है
है,
बलराज
बाकी में
भाई.
बचा
Guys, let's go.
देखते
3,
हैं.
चलेगा नहीं वैसे.
देखते हैं.
1. King G7. King G7.
King G7.
कितना देखते?
King G7.
भाई,
Come
बहुत
on,
time-
King
Cookie.
G7. He's gonna
तानिया,
play it.
7 मिनट करना है ये तुम्हें.
7 मिनट तक मैं लगी रहूंगी. पर 7 मिनट तो सिर्फ 7 मिनट से कम 5 मिनट कर सकते हैं.
वही पूछने वाला
King G7 होने वाला है. I'm telling you, he will play King
Is
G7.
that
He's,
the only good move, Sahil
he
bhai?
is,
Only way to put pressure.
he
Only
will
way.
find
हाँ
it.
भाई.
He's
Important
calculating.
moment. Important
Crazy
moment.
He's calculating those checkmating patterns. Is the king running away all the way
बलराज
up?
भाई getting ready.
भाई ये
पड़ेगा
तो
भाई.
moment है भाई, moment.
Be careful of your time.
Oh, he goes E3. Balu, your move.
Oh.
That's the problem now.
Okay, he's got to have something on his mind because it can't be as easy as rook e2 weakness है गिर जाएगा pawn. So what
तो
is?
बलराज भाई को आपने बड़ा एक्सप्लेन किया ना. अच्छा
हाँ.
फ्रेंड है ये वो तो अभी.
बालू आप बताओ क्या हो रहा है rook e2 के बाद?
आपने जितना जल्दी आइडिया स्विच ऑफ कर दिया ना मैं वहीं पे रुक गया.
भाई
मतलब
बलराज भाई you should be feeling proud at this moment.
मुझे पॉप करना चाहिए ना इसका.
बलराज पे करो.
It does not lose or anything. It just gives away that small chance that Gukesh had.
But how are you defending this pawn? Are you doubling up on the e file? Is that the idea with black after rook e2? Rook e2
Okay,
खेल दिया है
okay.
उन्होंने.
He's played it.
He goes rook e7, rook e8. So he will just double up and then get his king. This is what Gukesh wants. He wants to defend and then king g7 will follow.
Yeah.
But this gives time, यार. थोड़ा time मिल रहा है
that's
white
the
को.
point.
नहीं बट हो गया ना अभी तो 2-3 मूव इजी है. Rook e8,
नहीं,
King
he means
g7.
white को time मिलेगा on the queen side.
Ah,
to
you are
push
saying
the
white
pawns.
will play now c4, b4 that
Yeah.
way.
Yes. Maybe you don't need to double down on the e3 pawn and start pushing your own pawns immediately.
How do we start?
So let's say you go with c4 here.
Complex endgame. It's clear that there are possibilities for both sides.
King
Okay,
d3.
okay.
King
King d3
d3.
and rook comes to e8.
Rook will double up to defend the pawn.
Okay. Now exchanges will happen.
No ways to trade Balraj right now.
There is no way they can simplify this, right? They have to go for their respective
Now,
plans.
now there is no way to draw or anything. अब खेलो end तक. This is what Gukesh wanted. End तक खेलो. जो होगा सो होगा.
Okay.
Whoa.
He wants to open out a file over
हाँ.
there.
But,
Clearly.
But now should we take that pawn or should we move the king up?
I think moving the king up is the best choice.
I
right?
think pawn takes pawn, he goes rook d5. And then your rooks are overloaded. f5 is hanging, e3 is hanging.
Maybe this h5 is a safe move because if king g7, pawn takes pawn, and then it's very difficult to get that. वो जो king अंदर से ऐसे जा रहा था वो अब नहीं है ना because हाँ, somehow it has become more open this side.
You know why? Because anytime you go on that H file, I think Sahil's arrows were pointing out, a check will come and the king will swap the place of the rook.
Correct.
So a white king on E2 will be the perfect blocker of that E3 pawn.
Could be, yes. Very
Now I
good.
think we could plan for G5 maybe. If he can somehow play rookies, the king F7, F6, rook E6 and then G5 and then the brother again shows up.
You mean the best friend?
Oh, उसने मार दिया pawn.
Oh.
He took it.
he took.
He took. Gukesh was like, thank you for the pawn, Ding. Because now if you try to take it, my pawn is running down. E2 is coming.
Wait, are you in time? Rook D5, H4, Rook F5, H3, Rook H5?
नहीं वो वाला नहीं, मैं तो वो वाला रुक हिलता था अगर E2
Oh.
वाला.
हाँ.
But your move rook D5 will be played, I think.
The
That
position.
happens then rook d2.
H4 खेला गया, H4.
4 Guki, let's go. It's so nice. ये दोनों कैमरा थोड़ा लैग है, तो पहले उधर मिस किया तो इधर देख सकते हैं.
Oh, did you see that Gukesh just checked
Yeah.
कि 40 moves खत्म हो गए? And he writes his moves. And I think he'll also get up now
Yeah,
for a
he'll get
refresher.
up. He'll get up. Guys, 40 moves have been done. 30 minutes have been added on the clock. The chief arbiter comes in. I think Gukesh had not written couple of moves because once you are below 5 minutes, you can stop writing. He gets up. He goes to the washroom. Sometimes, players have been holding on the pressure
Yes.
for many minutes.
Yeah, absolutely.
नहीं,
It's
ये
a very
सच है.
yeah, it's a hard situation.
Because otherwise you might lose on time.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's real pressure. And so,
Like, literally.
I think also here, so maybe it's good time for us to take a break. A lot of
Yes.
people under pressure.
Yes.
So, see you in couple of minutes. Very open position with chances for both sides, even though it
Yeah.
shows 0-0.
It's tough to come up with a move.
It's not trivial.
No.
H pawn is passer. So my feeling, at least on the initial analysis, is that we are far from a draw yet. Unless they find a very, very interesting way of somehow repeating something. दिख तो नहीं रहा है कुछ.
Game 6 is clearly about tiring your opponent out.
Yes. It is. Actually, most of game 6 that we've had in the World Championship matches have been long battles. They've
Yeah.
been full games. And coming to that point we spoke about earlier, right? Where both players get to that point that they are so exhausted.
Yeah.
And there are still decisions, critical decisions to be made. That's when mistakes happen in chess. Especially in Budapest, right?
Yeah, yeah.
During the Olympiad, he finished with 9 out of 10, undefeated. And every time he would get up, move around from his chair, it meant that the opponent is in trouble. It was such a power statement, a power walk. And yeah, I think that became a reel as well.
Yes,
It
yes.
became a thing that Guki उठ गया मतलब बस गेम खत्म होने वाली है.
Chess Base India कुछ नहीं छोड़ता है.
Oh, he gives a check.
Gives a check,
Oh, by the way, where does the king go is a question.
check,
King
check.
H8.
And he immediately played King
Oh,
H8.
repetition. We could move towards a repetition here.
Oh, this is the second time in the game. That Ding is offering a repetition. Let's see. What do we guys think? Does Gukesh take it at this point?
Now maybe it's logical.
King G7, King G7. Draw? Draw.
I think both are happy कि भाई खेल लिया है, आज का कोटा is done.
पैसा वसूल हो गया है गेम 6 का लोगों के लिए.
But तानिया, game 6 जो जीतता है वो मैच जीतता है. ड्रॉ होता है तो कौन जीतता है, that we don't know.
ऐसा
Maybe
कहीं हो
Gukesh
सकता है.
knows about it. That's why he's been trying so far.
I think I was just going through in my head. Maybe game 6 अगर जिसका अभी draw होता है, it goes into playoffs.
Ah.
Karyakin match, no result. It was a draw against Magnus. Went into playoff. Fabi match, draw. Went into playoffs.
अगर playoffs में जाएगा तो crazy हो जाएगा. Like it will be.
एक दिन और का rent for Habitat.
आपने कुछ 13th को कुछ बुक तो नहीं किया ना?
नहीं आप लोग के लिए रखा है भाई. हम लोग के लिए रखा है. Sorry.
पर मुझे I love that idea that if this match goes into those critical moments, to just have 500 people live with us watching. What did he? Oh,
he
repeating.
gave a
They're repeating.
Yeah, this is over, I think.
Because King H6 is not possible, so King H8 आना ही होगा, and now it's already done, right?
Rook E2 is forced,
Rook
and now King
E2.
G7 would be a draw.
But will Gukesh for the second time today?
No, this is the draw. This is a done deal.
He's thinking. I'm just saying he's
the
thinking.
thing is, Sahil bhai.
Okay. Draw. Well done. GG.
GG's for Gukesh.
GG. So we are going into playoffs.